Hello everyone, this is Brody from Radical Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at another Arkon accessory, and this is a quick release strap, and this is for the GoPro. And today I'm going to be using the GoPro Hero 3 in order to show you guys. This is what the strap looks like, and you can connect this to branches, you can use it on your motorcycle, you can use it on handlebars for bicycles. You can use this on the bars on top of cars. And the way it works is you basically release this section. I'm gonna show you here. Put it around whatever you're putting around, any sort of handlebar or branch. Place it back and then pull. Once you hear that click, that means it's secure. And then your GoPro, it's gonna go right here on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up for you so that you can get a visual of how the GoPro looks in here. So I went ahead and secured the camera to the strap, and now I'm gonna find something to wrap it around so I can show you guys how it looks in place. So I just happened to be in my kitchen and found something where I could show you guys. This is just a handle from the dishwasher, and we're gonna go ahead and try it in here. Put the attachment through the back, push it in, and then put your finger through this section right here and pull. And right there you can see how the GoPro is in place. This only gives you forward motion. It doesn't let you turn it to the left or the right. It's only forward, so make sure if you're getting this, you're looking for just a forward angle with this piece. So I hope that helps, and if you guys need this is a great strap. Quick and easy to adjust and maneuver. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.